Can't put this in. You're gonna have to bleep the whole thing.
Whoever knew Jasmine was so badass. There was a comment on one of the videos the other day and it was like, Jasmine's the only person that can rap Eminem and smile at the same time.
It's not a lot of things I can't do without smiling.
Well, she said. That was a good one. Oh, nailed it. One of my eyelids. It's absolutely popping off tonight. Get it. Get up. Is that PR? Yeah, buddy. Ed's looking jacked. Jeez.
Just do a workout just so you can get a pump on.
Yeah.
Then I can go home.
Then go.
Very limited.
Opening up the lats and the triceps.
Doing a lot more. I think that's where his
One of my favourite exercises for it. Them shoulders. Them arms.
No. That's silly. Be careful though, have you?
Is out. I want to start today's vlog with just a walk and talk. I want to get straight into this because for me it's like the most important thing in CrossFit. Second to like none. Having this kind of mild shoulder and neck injury and rehabbing it and everything has given me a lot more perspective into how important shoulder activation is throughout the whole of CrossFit. If you have one kind of area that's out or that's not switching on or activating as much as you'd like to, then it's going to affect, it's like a chain, your body's like a chain. If one part's out, then the rest of it will start to become skew and whatnot. When I'm talking about shoulder activation, we use it throughout the whole of CrossFit. If I jump up to do a pull-up, my shoulders are active. I'm not in this position. If I'm doing toes to bar, I'm in this position, not this position. If I'm doing chest to bar pull-ups, if I'm doing muscle-ups, my shoulders are constantly active. The muscles are stabilizing the scapulas. When it comes over to the barbell, you're looking at the same thing. So instead of being in a rounded position, which I see a lot of people do, you want to activate that back. The thing is with this, if you've got a strong, solid back in position, you're going to get that power transference from the legs. It's going to make your clean stronger. Same thing with the snatch. Instead of rounding your shoulders, having that back and the scapulas turned off, you want them turned on because again you can drive, get that power transfer. Activating your shoulders in CrossFit is the most important thing for longevity, for injury prevention, strength and power transference. It's just, if you can properly activate your shoulders, then you're gonna drastically improve your CrossFit game and it should become second nature. For some people that are watching this, they probably do it already, but for other people, I want to make you aware of this.
So the workout is 5 pull-ups.
What is going on, team? Craig G back with another commentary over this video, and today I'm literally going to talk you through shoulder and upper back activation in CrossFit. All the exercises that are going to be shown throughout this commentary are awesome exercises for waking up your lats, your rhomboids, your middle and lower traps, your rear delt and your rotator cuff muscles. All of the muscles that are crucial and should be activated when doing anything upper limb with CrossFit. You can use these exercises as kind of a general warm-up, or you can use them as their own separate add-on session to learn and progress how it should feel when your shoulders are active, which in turn will increase your strength in movements and make your movements more efficient. And make sure that when you're doing high repetitions of movements, especially the things like pull-ups where it can put a lot of strain on your shoulders, that you're not yanking on the socket, you're not yanking on the joint, you're recruiting the right muscles to really support the shoulder, holding you in the right position, not only to protect you from injury, but also to be able to get the most power transference from the lats, say when you're doing pull-ups or toes to bar, or your middle and lower traps and lats when you're doing things like snatch or cleans. And along with protecting you from injury and making you more powerful and efficient, these exercises will also help with posture realignment, amazing for waking up the back muscles and holding you in a better position. so you can get the most out of your own training. When we do CrossFit, we tend to just go at speed. We tend to just work, get the movement down, and then attack workouts with it. Now, amazingly, just because someone has good form, it actually doesn't mean that they're activating the correct muscles and forcing them to work. I'm coming from the fitness industry and personal training client and doing things like bodybuilding in the past. I really understand how much time and effort it goes into creating a real mind-muscle connection. And by this, I mean switching on certain muscle groups when doing certain exercises. So say when you're doing pull-ups, you're not in that dead hang position, you're up with the lats engaged, or when you're doing a clean or a snatch, your shoulders aren't rounded, your middle and lower traps, you're actively thinking about switching those muscles on to hold you in a better position. I'm speaking from personal experience here, coming from bodybuilding to CrossFit. I went from my muscle connection to just wanting to move weight as quick as I can, not really thinking about activating specific muscle groups, and I've paid for it. And now I'm doing the rehab and things, I'm seeing how crucial and how important it is to be able to switch on specific muscle groups to hold your shoulders and back in place when doing anything that involves your upper body. And I just wanted to pass that on to you guys. This can help people that are experienced or brand new to CrossFit. And I really wanted to use this video as just kind of like a reminder. When you're doing any sort of exercise, make sure that you're switching on the specific muscle groups and not just being lazy or going for speed. But yeah, make sure that you're activating your shoulders, your back, stabilizing the scapulars when you're doing anything upper limb. I hope that made some sense. And I just wanted to make this video to share a couple of exercises with you that can strengthen those muscles, switch them on, turn them on, and increase your mind-muscle connection. I hope you have enjoyed this commentary. If you have, then please smash that like button. It really, really does help the channel. And we got some cool content coming up. The summer t-shirt releases tomorrow, which I'm super excited for. The t-shirts go live at 9 AM GMT for pre-order. And yeah, thank you for watching. I really, really appreciate you guys coming back every video and showing the love. If you have any other topics that you do want covering, put them down in the description below and I'll try and do a video on them, clearing up any of your problems or questions. And we will talk to you guys later on in the video.
This shoulder's not good, really not good.
Let's do some lifting. I haven't really done that much Olympic lifting recently. So what we're going to do, every minute on the minute for 30 minutes, one clean and jerk, 100 kg. That simple. That is our session tonight. Concentrating on keeping the form as good as we possibly can. Everyone a squat clean, everyone a good split jerk. Ready to rock and roll. Whereas Jazz, she's just going to sit on the row for a good 20-30 minutes, getting a sweat on, still aching from the weekend, and if we want the central nervous system to rest before Sunday so she can lift as heavy as possible, lifting isn't the most advisable thing right now.
I just want to be able to work properly by Sunday.
This weekend's one killed a lot of people off in this box, including myself.
Not fast. It's rubbish. Head left. Oh, damn.
Last one. Come on. Last one, best one.
Last rep, best rep. Ish. Oh, that was rough. It's not like your engine or anything, it's just your body just starts, your nervous system's like, bro, what are you doing? Oh, that was really nice to be back under a barbell, properly, doing an actual barbell clean and jerk workout. First time since doing my shoulder, super happy about that. I was sweating so much, look at that, whoa, I feel. awesome. Like these t-shirts. Alright, Jess.
Love these t-shirts. And when's this video going out?
The day before we launch them.
They go on sale tomorrow.
Epic.
Well, when this video goes out.
Oh.
To be a good coach, what have you got to do?
I don't know.
You
What we task?
happy birthday to your daughter.
Oh yeah, that's not to be a good coach, that's to be a good dad. But yeah, happy birthday Aaron. 7 today. I'm here. Sacrifices you have to make.
Yeah, but look. She is having the best
I
time.
know, look.
Look how cute that is.
Yeah,
I
apparently
think she's having a pretty good birthday treat.
yeah, she's
Happy
a cool
birthday!
dad.
I hope you've had a lovely day.
What did Dara, your little boy, say?
Oh, he said, someone said girls don't have muscles, and Dara went, Jazz does. But then they asked who Jazz was, and he was like, exactly.
Who's Jazz?
How was Dara?
He's 4.
Teaching him.
He knows.
Teaching him well. He knows.
He knows. Is that Kieran?
There, guys.
Ciao, bro. Ejectocito, cuz! Ready, I want to do a Fast and Furious movie review. And some of the quotes, they're some of my favourite movies. There's a tank on the highway, did someone say a tank?
Pressure's on now.
Kieran is a fan.
I'm a fan. You can have that quote there. Official fan of the new summer tee. I like the cut. It's nice. It's nice material. It's good quality, guys.
Pay him.
I'm not easily impressed.
Didn't even pay him.
Normally I win.
I just rubbed Kieran's arm.
Quick, Kieran Langford,
I think
2017.
Kieran has shaved his arm in the
not
past
shaved.
and it's so brittle.
No.
You've got brittle arms. Like,
Brittle
this
arms.
is soft hair.
I think this is
Like,
just
this
called
is like
being.
raw.
It's called being a man. It's like a little boy.
Course.
You get that one
You can
day.
break cheese with that. Unbelievable.